It's November, and what that means is that you have holiday parties to go to. Today I'm gonna show you how to glam it up by using some glitter in your hair. The first thing that you need is glitter, and you're gonna choose your glitter color based on what you wanna see. So for me, I want this look to look a little more sophisticated, so I'm not gonna choose anything too bright. I have blonde hair, so what looks nice with blonde is gold. So you're gonna take your glitter, you're gonna add some to a bowl. I am using something that's a little bit fine. You could use something ultra fine, or you could use something with really big pieces of glitter. So now you're gonna need to add some gel to your glitter, or else it's not gonna stay on your head. I have from Aveda a very sort of firm hold gel, or I have two gels that are a little bit more liquidy. I need to consider what is a firm hold gel going to do to my hairstyle. So this could almost give me a bit of a wet look. If I want this to dry a little bit more natural, I actually want to stick with more of a liquidy gel that is just going to help with styling. So I'm going to add that to my glitter, and then I'm going to mix it in. So once that's mixed in, I want to take a moment and I want to look at my current hairstyle. With my current hairstyle, it has a bit of a glamorous look. So I want to think about, where do I want to apply this glitter? If it's going to be subtle, I'm just going to do it on the parting. It's gonna be hard to put glitter on my hair with this volume that's in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clip down my hair against the parting. And because it's about to get messy, I'm gonna use a cape. Now that I have a cape on, I just wanna make sure that when I pick up the glitter and the gel, nothing is dripping. Because if it drips there, it's most likely going to drip onto me. And I'm just going to, ever so slightly, just tap that little bit of glitter along my parting. And trying hard not to get too carried away. Now, if there's some glitter that have gotten onto strands that I don't want, then I can always easily just kind of clean that up. And then I'm gonna unclip. And now that that's cleaned up and I've removed any glitter from my hair where I don't want it, you can see how this subtly creates that holiday glow. If by having just a little bit of glitter on your parting is too subtle for you, you can continue with this elegant look by just placing a little bit more glitter just along your temple. It's almost gonna be like a highlight. Some women love to put highlight here with makeup on their face, but I'm gonna emphasize this area by using a little more glitter. And then I'm gonna begin by just putting a little bit of glitter along my hairline. If you want to create even more of a statement, we're going to paint the full hairline. So I'm going to comb away and make sure that I've got what I'm going to be painting clipped down. And then doing what I did on one side, I'm going to do to the other. Because I think in order to keep this look elegant, it is important that there's some symmetry and balance. And with the front still clipped away, I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter just into the root. Now that you've made your look ultra festive, you wanna make sure that you're gonna keep it in place. So I do recommend dusting your hair with a strong hold hairspray, and that'll just keep you from leaving a glitter trail from behind you. Hey, it's Morgan again. If you liked this video, make sure that you've subscribed. I have a new video like this coming to you every week. And while you're at it, share with your friends.